Hello, my name is Frank Harlander. I am with Keystone Financial Solutions. We are a tax resolution firm located in Exton, Pennsylvania. Today we're going to be discussing about the innocent spouse. In this particular case, we are looking at a married couple who filed a joint income tax return. When a joint tax return is filed, both spouses are jointly and severally liable for any taxes, interest, and penalties assessed by the IRS. In other words, the IRS can go after either or both spouses to collect the taxes due it. In this particular case, the husband failed to report a distribution from his 401k plan as taxable income. He claimed it was non-taxable, and the IRS assessed both the husband and wife for the amount due the IRS. In the case of Jane Lassick, she filed for innocent spouse relief with the IRS. She is divorced from her ex-husband, who is the one who failed to include the 401k distribution as taxable income. She claims that she never reviewed their joint income tax return, and she claims that she had no knowledge of her husband's omission of taxable income and had no reason to know of this omission. That's the dual test that she must pass. And if found to be an innocent spouse by the IRS, she would not be held liable for any portion of the IRS assessment. And when the innocent spouse claim is filed, the IRS notifies the other spouse and asks for verification of the claim. This is where it became a nightmare for Jane Lassick. It's safe to assume that divorce was not amicable, and her ex-husband believes all is fair in love and war. The husband tells the IRS that his wife knew about the 401k distribution, and she had reason to know about it because those proceeds from the 401k plan were used to pay for the mortgage and various household expenses. Before going to trial, the IRS agreed with Jane Lassick that she was an innocent spouse. During the trial, during which the husband still contended she was not innocent, he was unable to provide any evidence to show that the distribution from his 401k plan was used to pay the mortgage or household expenses as he had claimed. He was not able to satisfy the court that he had discussed the 401k distribution from his spouse and had given her an opportunity to review their married filing joint tax return. The tax court observations were that in cases where one spouse claims that the other spouse was not innocent, the burden of proof is on the non-innocent spouse, and the court found that the husband did not meet this burden. In finding for Mrs. Lassick, it was not lost on the court that if she were granted innocent spouse relief, the husband would then be 100% liable for the tax deficiency, as she would not be liable at all. If you have an IRS tax issue, if you want help with the innocent spouse filing, offer in compromise, an installment sale, abatement of penalties, please call Brian Harlander at 610-594-2601. And if you would like to learn more about the innocent spouse rules and how they work, I suggest you read How to Resolve Your IRS Tax Debt Problems, found on Amazon.com. Thank you for your time and attention today.